Hi and welcome. Today we are going to explore the verbs of reporting. It's a simple vocabulary building exercise for enrichment. And we have selected the most repeated word in the English vocabulary, which the students tend to repeat occasionally. The word said and told is repeated a lot by the students. So we have tried replacing the word said in our exercise today. Let's begin. Let's look at the following sentences. What? Screamed mother. The word screamed could have been said mother, told mother, etc. But we are replacing such words with better vocabulary for the word said. No, she whispered. Again, for the word said, we have used a better word, whispered. Sit up, he ordered. Again, told or said, in place of that word, we have used the word ordered. These three words are the verbs of reporting. We use these words when we study reported speech, direct speech or indirect speech. The verbs of reporting sets the mood of writing or the speaking. We have to quote or report what someone has said or thought or said, reporting verbs. These words are verbs that tell us that someone said something, but in what tone. So it sets the tone of the writing or speaking. For example, he promised to help in my project. The word promised is setting the tone. How are you doing? Seema asked. The word asked is setting the tone in writing. In our prescribed syllabus of the CBSE, we have the reported grammar and reported verbs like commands, requests, statements and questions. And this forms part of section B, that is writing and grammar, and it is a part of grammar where it forms a part of question number 6, that is dialogue writing. In the CBSE question, reporting a dialogue with a given cue is the kind of question typology that is selected for this year. It comprises of 6 marks, expecting about 6 exchanges. Now let us explore a sample task, how and what is to be done. The sample task with the 4 exchanges are given a sample dialogue writing using reported words or verbs. Mother, what did your tutor say about the fees? The word say, now we are going to replace different words right throughout the dialogue. Seema, he demanded that we pay at the earliest. Mother, did you request that I have asked for some more time? Seema, I pleaded, but he proposed that we pay by tomorrow. Mother, respond to him that I promised to pay next week. Seema, I had asked, but he offered no assistance. Mother, he has stipulated his guidelines earlier. Seema, may I request for some concession? Now this is an example where the word say or said was replaced by a number of words that sets the tone in writing or dialogue. And we can also see that Seema is reporting what she has done. Now let's see the task set for today. The assigned task is to write a dialogue between mother and son, where the son is reporting a conversation that took place between the teacher and the son. The mother will inquire, probe, and pose questions to make the conversation flow. And for learning assistance, a list of words that 100 ways to say said has been provided for the students. Few examples I'll read out and leave the rest for the students to pause the screen and record the words that they tend to use for writing. A few words are acknowledged, added, admitted, advised, affirmed, agreed, announced, answered, argued, asserted, assured, avoided, avowed. Avowed means affirmed. Awakened, bellowed, blurted, bragged, cautioned, challenged, claimed, concited, conceded, concluded, confessed, confused, continued, corrected, cried, deceived, decided. The list of words continue. The students may go through the entire list, and it is advisable that the students learn as many words from this list as possible, because they tend to use these words in writing a dialogue, writing a story, reporting the literature stories and the literature part. Thank you so much.